In this video, I will show you how to fix DPC latency on Windows 11 or 10. So start search control panel. Select a large icons and here power options. Change plan settings. Change advanced power settings. And here select performance. I have not that option. You have to select here. Power options as performance. You will see balanced and performance. So select here performance and another way. Click on network and sharing center. Change adapter settings. Here right click on Ethernet or Wi-Fi. Properties. Here find out this Internet Protocol version 6. Unselect, then OK. And last method you can try CMD. So run as administrator. Now type this command line. I will give in description. BCD edit space set space disable dynamic space yes and press enter. And once you done, restart your system. So these are methods guys you can try to resolve this problem. Thanks for watching. Comment this method work for you or not.